Record. All right. So, good morning. This is Zach with Sell House, Ohio. And we have with us Bill today. And we just closed on his property yesterday. So, Bill, I just have to ask you a few questions. How did you hear about us? How did you hear about Sell House, Ohio?
So a friend of mine who flips homes was unable to take my property. He recommended Sell Homes Ohio. So uh, came referred from somebody I trusted.
All right. Excellent. And yeah, for me or for us, that is still the best form of advertisement, right? Word of mouth. All right.
Right.
And how was your experience working with us, working with me? Was it a quick and simple process?
So it was a simple process. There was great communication. Zach did a great job, clearly communicating each step of the way. So I felt very comfortable. uh, I knew what to expect up front. And so it made the experience very easy. Uh, and I was very happy with the outcome.
All right, excellent. Thank you. And from signing the agreement to you getting your money, how many days did it take for you to get your money?
It took about a month,
Hmm.
but uh, it seemed to go by pretty quickly. There's obviously a lot that goes into the process of selling a home, and obviously from your perspective, making sure that the you've got a fair deal and you understand what your risks are. So this isn't any different than selling to a potential buyer who then has to get financing. So time wise, it was very reasonable.
All right, thank you, thank you. And lastly, what would you say to say homeowners out there who's looking to sell their property for cash quickly?
Uh, I would say that this is a great organization to work with, that
Thank you.
it's clearly communicated. It's a good process. I think the deal was fair. Uh, there's obvious trade-offs in time versus and the amount of work that you'd have to put in to get ready to sell on the market. So if you're not willing to invest in that, for a potential larger payout in selling the home yourself and then having to deal with a realtor, this is a much easier process.
All right, thank you. And Bill, appreciate the kind words. It was a pleasure working with you. And yep. And again, this is Zach from Sell House, Ohio. And if you're looking for to selling your house for cash quickly, call us at 614-300-5151 or find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com. All right. Thank you, Bill. It was a pleasure. And
Yes.
see you on the next video.
Thanks, Zach. Bye.